know your rights. It's time now for Legal Point. Now your host, Carrie Kasem.
Welcome to Legal Point. Like the man said, I'm Carrie Kasem. Today, I have elder law attorney Dennis Toman. He's the founder of the ElderLaw Firm in Greensboro, North Carolina. Dennis currently serves on board of directors of the North Carolina chapter of the National Academy of Elder Law Attorneys. Thank you, Dennis, for being on the show today.
Well, it's wonderful to be here.
When do you start planning for retirement? When do you start planning and making your will and estate plans?
Well, you can't start too early. I might say that. Many times people wait until a crisis situation happens and then they decide to do some planning. And there's still lots that can be done, even in a crisis situation. But it's better to start planning for some of the retirement issues in a person's 50s. Basically, you need to have a power of attorney in place when you turn 18, because as soon as you're 18, your parents no longer have the ability to make decisions for you. And so that comes as quite a shock to some parents who come in a situation where their child might be in an automobile accident or could have had another type of injury. And all of a sudden, they don't have the authority as parents to make those decisions simply because their child is an adult. As an adult, in the United States, adults are given certain rights. And some of that is to make your own decisions about health care and financial matters. And unless you sign that power of attorney, as we talked about, you're in big trouble. But for planning ahead, that in the 50s, make sure you've got those powers of attorney, health care, financial, as well as a will, and perhaps some sort of trust planning as well that deals perhaps with avoiding probate through a revocable living trust, and certainly paying close attention to retirement assets, IRAs, other investments that are there, and how those are going to be used to pay for the devastating costs of long-term care that can arise later in life.